shit.
Shit.
That's one for the real boys.
Holy shit.
That sucks.
That sucks. You okay?
Yeah, I'm more than okay. Been mad again, but it's alright.
How's the adrenaline level? Peaked.
A little mad. Sucks.
Don't be mad.